Hey guys, it's Wes Gaddis. Come to you from wesgaddis.com in Southwest Colorado. So, what I want to talk to you a little bit about today, I'll keep it short, but you might have a question. So, can I use the skills learned here at Wealthy Affiliate to build a network marketing business? The answer is absolutely yes. They both the building an affiliate marketing and a network marketing, you have to do three things. One, build your audience with your posts, keywords, engage with them, getting comments, likes, shares, and then you have to serve them or sell them. Um, Eliminate one of their problems via a product you promote. So think about this with your network marketing company, you have the opportunity itself, which is a work from home, home based business kind of idea, and you have the products itself. So I want you to think about this on the product side because with the FCC crackdown, they want more customers than distributors. So what I want you to do is switch off the mindset from trying to get more distributors. And I want you to move to a customer acquisition kind of mindset. So look, flip through your online store for your business. There's hundreds, thousands of products. Think of the categories, each individual category, and then pop them over in to the keyword tool and see what kind of keywords for each product or category or solution that people are looking for. And I guarantee it, even if you just have a company that has 100 products, there's easily a way that you could find keywords to write 1,000 of posts for your blog for each one of those. So um, don't overthink it. Keep it simple. Build, engage, sell. Build, engage, sell. That is the most simple um, business plan or DMO, daily method of operation, you could have. And if you do that every day, with whether it's with your website, on Facebook, and one tip, bonus tip here on your Facebook, if you got your company name listed with your website listed with the affiliate link on your profile, no, get rid of that. Any of your posts that you have your affiliate link in the post, get rid of it. Why? Because you're losing sales. Facebook isn't showing your post to people because they want more people to spin around on their website. So how you get around that is one, you create what is called a curiosity post based on the product. You can show short videos or before and after photos as the post picture, and then just kind of put some of the benefits that maybe if it's you or a teammate, what you've accomplished by using that product. And that way they will be reaching out to you because remember, every post you're going to want to have a CTA, whether it's on your website, your blog, or on Facebook. Every post you do, you have got to tell your visitor what it is you want them to do. Take them by the hand and lead them to where you want them to go. And then after that, simply go over to Messenger, have a little conversation, kind of checking in on them, seeing exactly what their pain points are. At that point, you can say, hey, I've got a product that I love that I'm using that I use on my kids, my family are using, a friend of mine is using, even if they're a teammate, they're still a friend of yours and they're getting these results. Would it be okay with you if I shared it with you? And then, of course, Mostly they'll say yes. It's just human nature. So I hope this helps. God bless. Have a great day. Peace out.